Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I hate doing this, but when I figure out a simpler way to do something, if you didn't watch part 4, where I had to manipulate these by hand, I started thinking all you have to do is take an ellipse. Let's make it 12 inches. And then we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and make the next one 11. And then Control D will make the next one 10, and you can just go on and on and on. Now what you do is make this line a 1/2 inch line. Go up to Object, convert the outline to an object, turn them black. And that's really all you've got to do once you get your attribute eyedropper, get your sample, and you don't even have to resample because you're going to use the same one. Now to make it look like that, take every other one and rotate it 10 degrees or whatever you think would look good. And you've done this that quick. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.